it's too metal. I've now collected the flour, baking powder, and salt together in a medium bowl. Set aside. You'll need a spoon that level the flour. If you're wondering what spoon is, that means you have to use this. You'll need 1.5 cups of flour. This is how you spoon it. First you put the flour and you spoon it. I'll be waiting the spoon for me to finish spooning the flour. I'll need a room temperature thing of unsalted butter and a large egg. Huzzah! We have done the flour. It is going to put it into the bowl. It's time to do the baking powder. You need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. You'll need to use these 2 things. It's so rewarding. Oh no. So it's time to put the items in the bowl. Yeah. I'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And roll it like this. It's now time to stir it. I'm sorry if your ears hurt. I've properly whisked it. It is time to put it aside. This part, you will need a stand mixer. You will also need a paddle thing. In a large bowl using a hand mixer or a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, beat the butter and granulated sugar together on medium-high speed until creamed, about 1 minute. Add 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, which is this. And use 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, which is you need to use 3 of these. So pretty. So take the wrapper off of the butter before putting it in the mixer. It's time to put it on. Should I set it on carefully because it can make really loud noises. It's time to turn it on. Extra the paper everywhere. She's so pretty. Wait until creamed. The container is creamed and when it's a lighter color and it looks fluffy. You have to do is scrape it with so fancy. Mr. Billionaire. I gotta put the butter and I gotta moisten off the leaves. Take out the hair. It's back. There's so Egg and vanilla extract and beat on high speed until combined. When to crack the egg in this bowl so if any egg cells happen, I can take them out. So I know this is supposed to be a baking video, but I mean, look at this little muffin. I mean, look at how cute she is. How are you this cute? You're gonna eat me one day. You're so cute, and I want to mine. That's cuter and cuter every second. Oh. Bye. Bye, little muffin. I got to continue on making this baking video. I love you. So if you're wondering why this egg yolk is broken, it's because I have to put my hand in there and take out the eggshells. And also, after you cook the egg, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap because you do not want salmonella. Salmonella is bad. It gives you diarrhea and barf. There's 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Oh, that smells so good. Good smelling stuff. We're adding the egg and vanilla extract. Beat on high speed until combined. Just scrape down the sides and up the bottom of the bowl and beat again as needed to combine. I'm sad, I can't look at it anymore. I'll just salmonella. Scraping down the sides is this. See? Oh no! Now time for the dry ingredients to shine. Oh, wait, wrong voice. I am Dorothy. Man, the slow motion filter is so cool. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix on low until combined. It's time for sprinkles. I need to use some of this other kind because there wasn't enough. This is a lot of sprinkles. I mean, look at how much is left in this one now. I mean, wow, that is very little. There's the slow motion thing going because that was fun. Wasn't that fun? It looks so gross. Beat and a half cup of sprinkles. I see a period there. Was I supposed to do that earlier? Who knows? Sections of dough, about 2 tablespoons of dough each, and roll into balls. Come back to you after I do it because it will take a while and I need to wash my hands after. Okay, so according to the rules, you have to after you make them into the balls all over the baking sheet, you have to put it into the big sheet into the fridge for at least 2 hours, and it could be up to 4 days if you want to. But I don't have enough room in my fridge, so I'm just gonna put this thing into my fridge. So yeah, I will see you later. It's time. It's time.
You want to show them in the oven?
Oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 12 to 13 minutes. Oh gosh, it's beautiful. I have to wait. Cute. Time to try it. Yum. Here's Sally. Thank you for watching.